Welcome back to free engineering tutorial on operating system. So in previous video we had studied about safety algorithm, and this video is also a continuity of previous video. So here we will discuss what resource request algorithm. So let me change the pointer option. So as we had already studied safety algorithm, it is easy for us to study resource request algorithm, and all arrays are same. Some additional functionalities will be added. So what are these functionalities? Let's say the full system is being allocated with the resources, and now any process wants to access or wants to share some extra resources. What it is requesting means 102 means A, one instance of A, 0 instance of B, and 2 instances of C. So will it be added or will it be given assigned to this process, to the process 1, because this is the request which is made by process 1. So will it be assigned in the safe manner or safe sequence or not? So we have to check this. Okay, so what we will do is that we will deploy 3 steps. Main 3 steps are: firstly, we will make the difference of the available minus request. So what is available? 332. Okay, so 3 3 and 2, and we will make the difference of request. So what we will get? So this is 2 3 and 0. Okay, so this will be our new available. Okay, now the next step is that we will subtract the requested part with the need of the process 1. Okay, so what is the need previously? So that was 122. Now the 122, okay, so now it will be subtracted, the request will be subtracted, and what we will get? 0 to 0. Okay, so now we are getting 0 to 0. Okay, and rest all things will be same. Now the allocated part will be added each time. Okay, so as you can see that allocated plus request. Okay, so this allocated part, the previously it was 200, now it will be added by 102, and you can see that it will be 302. Okay, so what 3 things we have to keep account is that we will subtract the available, we will subtract the need with the request part, and we will add the allocated part. Okay, and we'll get this table. Okay, so what is this table? It is like just like previous table, where we are comparing the need with the available and are adding the allocation part. Okay, so now we are getting this table, and we'll check simply with the help of safety algorithm. How we can see that? So firstly we will check whether the need 743 is smaller than 230 or not, and firstly we will make it false, everyone false. Okay, and from here you can see that 230 is smaller than 3, so process 0 can be assigned with the resources. Then again we will check whether process 1 is already been assigned. No, it is not assigned, so it will check 020 is smaller than 230 or not. So yes, it is already assigned, it will be assigned with the resources, and it will be made as true. Okay, and it will be added, this allocated part or allocated resources will be added to the available part. So 5 3 0. Okay, and the sequence we are getting is P1. Now we will go to 600, and it is not available with the system. So this many resources as not available with the system. We will move forward and we'll check whether P3 is assigned with the resources yet or not. So it is not assigned, and we can see that need is also smaller than 530. So it will be assigned and it will be made as true. Okay, so now it will be again added to the 530. So the resultant will be 741. Okay, now we will check whether P4 is already assigned or not. No, it is not assigned, and as you can see that need is also being satisfied with the available resources. So we will add 002 with 741. So we will get 743, and we will add, I almost forgot to add this, so this P3 and then P4. Okay, and this is also made be true. After that we will come back to process 0 and we'll check whether it is assigned or not, and no, it is not assigned yet. So we will check whether 743 is smaller than 743 or not, and yes, it is smaller, or the available system resources can fulfill the need of this process. So it will make this true and will give the allocated resource back. So it will be 753. Okay, and again we will check whether 600 is smaller than 753, and yes, as it is smaller than 753, so this will be added and it will be made true. So it will concluded to 10, 5 and 5. Okay, so as you can see that this here we are getting one safe sequence as P0 and P2. Okay, so this is the safe sequence we are getting after requesting of the process 1 with the resources 102. Okay, so if we are getting the safe sequence, we can say that the request of process 1, which is being further added after the allocation of all the resources, so it can be done. So, and we are getting the safe sequence, so we are not getting a deadlock. Okay, so in this way, if this is the safe sequence and processes are executed in this way, the system will never encounter the deadlock condition. Okay, so this is the type of deadlock avoidance technique. In next video we will discuss deadlock detection technique. So till then, thank you.